Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we will be learning how to be in private mode on LinkedIn. If you want to browse LinkedIn anonymously, then you can easily be in the private mode. Open up your LinkedIn application to get started. Once you're in the home page logged into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now, click on Settings at the bottom. Tap on Visibility under Settings. Once you open up the Visibility tab, tap on Profile Viewing Options at the top. Now, from the menu, choose Private Mode. Your profile will now be invisible to others and you can browse LinkedIn anonymously. So that is how it's easily done. You are now in private mode, allowing you to explore profiles without leaving a trace. Enjoy your private browsing experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.